Hi, it's Hard Reset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on OnePlus Nord 5. So first, let's check if we have the fast charging option to enable. Fast charging, we don't, so the fast charging is always active. Now check your cable. If it isn't broken in any way, it's not. So now check the port. Here, if it's something in there, you can clean it with compressed air or maybe some Q-tips or wooden sticks. Don't use the metallic tools. Next thing we can do is check the outlet and the cable with another phone, or maybe try another cable and an outlet. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.